So guys, we are here at Adventura Park. Okay? At the back of me is Adventura Park. Okay? So, dahil po mainit, yes, at hindi pa po winter, so ayun po, we try already and checking what is inside of Adventura Park. It's all activities for kids and for a group of people, family and friends, okay? So this is Adventura Park. Alright guys, this is Kate Extreme Vlogging at nandito po tayo sa Adventura Park located at Mashref. Yes, this is near to Kawanich. It's so near. Yes, and here we are at the reception, and the reception Filipina receptionist is named Arian. Yes, shout out to Arian and the staff of Adventura Park. So ayan po. At yes, this is Sunday afternoon at yes po, nakikita nyo naman yung ating emblem. Yes, ayan. Andito na naman po para sa panibagong journey si Kate Extreme Vlogging. Ayan. Okay. Samahan nyo ako guys. So that is Roger from Cameroon. Yeah, and yeah, he speaks French of course. Oui, ça va. Yes, hello. Shout out for the Adventura Park. Yes, ayan po ang ating mga butihing receptionist. Ayan, guys, samahan nyo ko. Yeah, let's go inside and check what's the activities inside it. Okay, here we go. Abay! Ayan. Balikan kita maya-maya. Yeah, ano po tayo? Yeah, so now we're going inside, okay? As I'm going to show you first the reception, okay? Here we go. So this is it, the reception, as they have all the collections. Yes, the souvenirs they have all this thing. They have the cup, the hat, yes, and the activities here is outdoor actually. So this is the reception, yes, and that is Cameron, Roger, and yeah, Karian. Yeah, good people from Adventura Park. All right. Here we go. And what is the name of this guy?
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
By the way, my name is Raymond. I'm a monitor at Adventura Parks. By the way, welcome to Adventura Parks.
Oh, that's great. Wow, yahoo! Alright, here. Ayan. So guys, this is Adventura Park. Okay, ayan yung seating, coffee shop. Yes, and okay. Yeah. Saan papunta to? Lahat sila nakaberde. Ayan. So, we're going up here. Okay, let's see what's the, yeah, where to road. Gift shop, entrance, and exit. Okay. Okay, this is going to Discovery. Alright. We're going to Discovery, guys. Discovery birthdays, harnessing, and alright. So let's go to, yes, we have to check the Discovery first. Okay, here we go. Guys, this is Adventura, Dubai's largest zipline park. So as you see, that is the activities inside. Alright, so let's check. Okay, let's see what is it all about. Guys, so we are heading to Extreme Adventura. Okay, Rangers. As this time, nobody is having activities on this area, but we will check. Okay, here we go. Ayan. Isang tanghaling tapat, alas 3 po ng hapon, at nandito po tayo sa lugar na ito po yung zipline nila. Yes, ayan po yung zipline. Ano, that is yes, going up on the trees and then climb it and blah blah blah. Anyway, so here we go. Ito naman po yung mga kanilang mga tulay-tulay. Ayan, akyat tayo guys. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa lugar na to. Yes. At yes, nandito po tayo katanghalian tapat. Ayan guys. Okay, so ayan po yung mga hagdanan, yung mga, yes, yung mga tulay na gawa sa lubid at kahoy. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga activities dito. Ayan. That's all for children. Ayan po yung web na nakikita po natin sa advertisement. So, ayan po. Ayan. Okay, so part by part pala siya. Okay. So, what is there? Okay, we have to go there. Ayan. And guys, ito po ay yes, Adventura. Okay, this is yes, about climbing, yan, tulay-tulay. Yan po, this is Adventura Park is for children. Ayan. And not only for children, this can be as an activities for matured people as well. So ayan po. Ayan yung tulay-tulay na yan na yes, talagang sports yan. Okay. So ayan po. Ayan, kakahuyan. Okay. So ayan po, ikot tayo ulit. Ayun po yung area na extreme. Okay guys, ito nandito tayo. At si Kate po ito. Ayan. Pababa na po tayo. Punta naman tayo sa iba. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako. Alright.
Just remove the harness once it has been fitted. You may ask one of the coaches in the harness area if you need assistance. Your equipment consists of a 3 zip lines and a set of smart carabiners. Do not drop or drag your carabiners. Use the fastener on the harness instead. Remain on the indicated pathways at all times. Long hair needs to be tied back. C-shaped carabiners are open, and the N-shaped carabiners are closed. Place the open carabiner on the big magnet and push down to the left. Press the alt trigger to open the second carabiner and repeat the process. Only one carabiner may be removed at a time. At levels of climbing, you will need to connect both carabiners to the main climb. Remember to connect the bottom foot to your harness. Hold on to the obstacle while climbing, not the rope. Once you are safely on the platform, connect to the closest magnet. On zip lines, connect one carabiner, followed by the rope. Once the landing is clear, you may connect the second carabiner. Place the thumb inside the loose carabiner and sit down in your box. You may now start the zip line. Do not jump and never touch the cable for the motion. Grab the handle on platform landings to assist you getting up and avoid rolling back. Once you are safe on the platform and disconnected from the zip line, shout "Get ready" to let the next person know and say to stop. On ground landings, put your feet down for a random stop. Remove one weapon from the zip line. And shout "Be ready" to the next person know and say to stop.
Libre. Spanish word free. The word libre, disconnect, reconnect. Zip line time, there's something, please don't hold anywhere. Just hold the pulley rope. Sit down, sit forward. Push her down, set your pulling. Follow by the first cut. Remember, we have no more exit magnet located always on the ground. Any question? last floor. For the zip lines and ladder, always 1 person at a time. If you don't know,
so yun guys, nagpunta tayo doon, naglakad-lakad po ako. Grabe yung init sa labas. Hindi ko po kaya. Napakainit. Yes, sinamahan ko yung magsi-zipline. Yes, tinignan ko muna kung paano pag-i-ensayo, pag-training. Ayun. At sa awa ng Diyos, natutunan naman natin. At yes, ayaw nila magpakuha ng video. Kaya so hindi natin pwede sila kunan. Alright. So, minabuti ko nang bumalik. Nandito po ako sa coffee shop. Yes, inom muna tayo ng cold coffee latte. Ayan po. Nandito po tayo sa ating coffee shop. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating kasama sa coffee shop. Ayan, yung mga kabayan. Yes. Nasa coffee shop tayo at napakainit sa labas. Hindi ko kaya. Ayan. Okay guys, samahan nyo ako ulit ha. Maya-maya po tayo pupunta ulit po sa malayo. Okay? Kanina naikot ko na yung mga lugar na almost po dito po sa Adventura ay park ay yes, for family gatherings. Ito ay outdoor activities po. Ito ay outdoor activities kung saan po grupo po ng pamilya or kaibigan ang pwede pong mag-zipline, yes, mag-rock climbing, yes, at the rest po ay pangbata po yung activities. So dito po ginagawa yung mga team building, birthdays, ayun po. Pwede po natin gawin dito sa Adventura Park. Okay? Outdoor to. Okay? It's better here on the winter para at least malamig po ang weather. At yes, kahit po maglakad kayo ng napakalayo, still, hindi po kayo masyadong mapapagod dahil po malamig po ang paligid. At this time po ay summer. At this is a month of September 15. Yes, at nandito po tayo. It's Sunday. Yes, nandito po tayo sa Adventura Park para po malaman natin kung ano ang nandito sa loob. Okay guys? So, for the meantime, for the time being po, magka-cafe latte muna po ako ng cold cafe latte. Okay guys? Alright, samahan nyo ako maya-maya.